If you are also facing end field server down, or if end field Asia server is down, the issue is usually on the server side due to maintenance, high traffic, or a temporary outage. So first check the game official social media pages or community channels for any server status updates. If there is no announcement, try basic fixes like restarting the game, rebooting your device and router, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and changing your DNS to a public DNS like Google DNS to avoid a routing issue. You can also try using a stable VPN with an Asia location to bypass ISP related connection problems. But keep in mind, this may increase ping if the problem continues for several hours, and many players are facing the same issue. The only real solution is to wait until the developers fix and restore the Asia servers. Hope this video is helpful for you. If still you have any question, you can comment down, and thanks for watching. Make sure subscribe and like this video. Thank you.